I have some FabFitFun add-ons, including their Drunk Elephant box. So if you want to see what's inside, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe, Bandit, Dexter, they're all in another room. It's just about dinner time. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. We do all kinds of unboxings, unbaggings, get ready with me's, fashion, beauty, Dollar Tree hauls, all kinds of stuff like that. So if you're into that kind of thing, please consider hitting that subscribe button. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. All right, so let's get into my FabFitFun add-ons. And so for, I think it was $74 or $79, there was a curated box of Drunk Elephant products. And then I got a few other things. So for my, now I haven't even used this yet. I got to tell you guys, I told you guys we'll do it together. I haven't used it yet. I did get some refills for that Rio UFO mask thing. So these are masks that go with that machine. They were, I believe, $7 as refill. So really excited to know that I'll have products to be able to re-up or continue to use it, I guess, because the machine, once you've done with it, do you use it with regular masks? I don't know. Probably. You probably can. Okay. For the pup, I got, this is from the Honest Kitchen, and this is their pumpkin spice latte. And so what it is it's like a powder, and you put it, you know, over their food, or you can mix it with some water, and it just gives them like some extra pumpkin. There is a $5 coupon on there. I think I paid $4 for this, to be honest with you. Maybe more, maybe $7, I don't know. I'll try to put the prices up, but it is something that Bandy can have. Yes, it's just add warm water. So it's like giving him his own little pumpkin spice latte without there being any coffee in it, obviously. From Beekman 1802 is their pistachio and dark cherry milkshake body mist. I love these kinds of things. So we're going to give it a little shake to mix it all together. And I was like, pistachio, anything pistachio, I'm in. Oh, that's so yummy. It'll be smelling like a snack. Okay, and everything else in here is part of that Drunk Elephant collection. And I thought, you know, for the price, I'm actually getting like paying for one product and getting almost the rest for free with like maybe an extra $10, because Drunk Elephant's kind of expensive. So the cap fell off of this, but I don't see any mess in here, so I don't think it leaked. This is their Wild Merlin Tangle Spray, and I use Tangle Spray all the time, so excited to try that. I'm almost out of one that I got that I loved from Trend Mood. Fable in Maine. Loved it. It smells so great. Then we have their Lala Retro Whipped Cream. This is their mini. I do have the full size of this, so I'll show you this, but I'm going to put this aside. I'm going to put on my glasses so I can tell you a little bit about the product. This is a triple ceramide blend with 5 African oils, and this is 15 milliliters. Then we have the Bee Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum. This is Pineapple Ceramide Pro Vitamin B5. And this says it's going to quench and illuminate. And this is a cool drink of water for thirsty skin. And they have this neat, so you don't lose your cap. Then we have the D-Bronzy Anti-Solution Sunshine Drops. I actually have these. So again, these I'm going to put aside. We have the Virgin Marula Luxury Face Oil. This is going to nourish and balance. It's pure and unrefined. And marula oil is rich in omega-6 and 9. And I always say, go to bed looking like a glazed donut. Throw this on. Throw some oil on over everything else. And then we have the Best number 9 or Bestie number 9. I'm not really sure. Jelly Cleanser. This has cantaloupe and glycerin. Does it smell like cantaloupe? No scent, scent free. I was hoping it smelled like cantaloupe. But yeah, I mean, this wouldn't have been 68, but I mean, this was probably 68. The roll oil, maybe even more. So I figured, you know, for the price of admission, I got a bunch of free Drunk Elephant products, and I'm pretty happy with it. But let me know your thoughts. Did you get this? What product are you most excited to try out of it? This is what I'm most excited to try, but I do have 2 face oils open right now, so it's gonna be a little bit because I don't want it to go bad. That's why I didn't even open it yet. And this will be started soon because we are almost out. All right, well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.